Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to navigate and use the PowerNotes extension. Firstly, I'm going to show you how and where to download PowerNotes. The first step is to go to PowerNotes.com. Then you're going to want to click on the blue Add Browser Extension button in the center of the screen. It will be taken to your search engine's web store. I'm using Chrome, but this page may look different depending on what browser you're using. Then if I click Add to Chrome here on the right hand side of the screen, the extension will be added to my browser. The first step in using PowerNotes is to activate the extension in your browser by clicking on the extension icon here on the top right of the screen, clicking on PowerNotes Research, and then clicking the Enable PowerNotes button. I'm using Chrome, but this extension works for Firefox as well. Afterwards, you're going to want to click on the PowerNotes logo to view your PowerNotes homepage. On the homepage, you can see all your current projects. From this page, you can add more projects, or delete the ones you have. If you click on a project to see its outline, you can see all your topics and bookmarks that you have gathered during your research. An essential part of note-taking in PowerNotes is the topics. You can highlight text from any website you like and add it to an existing topic, or create a new one. The highlighted text will appear in your project along with a link to the original source. If you click on the Confirm Citation icon, which is represented by these quotation marks, you can view the citation details. This right here on the right hand side of the screen is the sidebar, which you can open whenever you want on any web page you may be viewing while using PowerNotes. Through this, you can view your project, bookmark a web page by clicking on the orange Add Bookmark icon, and take a screenshot by clicking on the purple Take a Screenshot icon, which allows you to take a screenshot of any part of the screen you want and add it to your project. To close and open the sidebar, click the yellow letter P seen at the bottom right. Once you have your topic names in your project, you can organize them however you prefer. You can edit your topic names as you like, and you can add comments wherever you need to. To the right of your topics, you can click on Manage Topics. Here you can move the order of the topics, edit the topic name, and change the topic color. By clicking on Project Details on the left-hand side, you can change the project citation format to whatever suits your needs. You can also edit the project name and its description as well. There are some ways to filter what you see on your screen when viewing your project. Under your topics section on the right hand side, you can see these different kinds of filter options. We have content filters, which can filter notes, highlights, and citation info. Then we have card filters, which can filter sources, bookmarks, and freeform notes. Lastly, we have the comment filters, which filter comments. PowerNotes has many ways in which you can export your project outline. By clicking on the export icon in the center, you have a few different options. First, we have the option to save the project outline as a Word document. Then there is the option to save only the bibliography as a Word document. We also have various options to save an Excel document. And lastly, we can save it as a .ris file. A .ris file is a bibliographic citation file saved in a format developed by research information systems. Next, we will be looking at how to share your project with others. First, click on the Share button to the left of the Export button. This page will appear, in which you must type the email of whoever the project will be sent to. You then choose if you want to give this person the ability to edit the project, or just comment and give feedback. Lastly, when you are done using PowerNotes, you can close the extension by clicking the extension icon, selecting the PowerNotes extension, and turning it off by clicking the Enable PowerNotes button. These are all the main tools provided to you. You should now be ready to start researching using PowerNotes.